Light up red, green, and blue. Identify that the green color block needs repair. Locate the IC corresponding to the affected position. Power off the module. Identify the deep green channel. Use a hot air gun to heat the solder and remove the old solder. Clean off surface residues and impurities. Identify the correct IC model, 325 in the video. Use the raised dot on the IC surface to confirm the orientation. Align the IC to the correct position and gently press it into place. Heat and solder, then remove excess solder. Power on and light up to check the result.